Midhiero nenore doho manyamira eseche manochwal nyim doho okinde adek mabandia manche nomaki juma mokalo alworano. Achiel kuom achijego ne obwogo doho kokelo okil mare mane bende omaki bang' yudo ni onge kod otese malong'o mamiye thuolo mar yalo buche nyim doho. Achijego nowe gi rambun mar siling 50,000 moro ka moro kendo buchgi ibiro winjo kendo dwe manyien.
We also wish to notify the public that while we were here in court waiting to take plea for these three suspects, we have also arrested another suspect within the court precincts at the mediation desk who has come with clients purporting to be an advocate, and that person has represented himself to the mediator that I'm an advocate so-and-so, and I'm here to represent my clients. And that person has also been arrested and placed in custody.
We are appealing to everyone out here that those people are everywhere, not just in cybers, but they are even here in court. They are not only pretending to be advocates, but they are also appealing to the members of the public that I know the JOs, the magistrates and the judges, I will assist you. They are collecting money and tarnishing the names of our good JOs.
So it is very easy for you to identify whether the advocate whether that person offering the services is an advocate. Just go to advocate search engine and you will identify the person giving you the legal services.